Hello everyone, I am Novia Iranjendrato and now I would like to present my material about air pollution. Actually, I chose this topic about environment and I chose air pollution because this is real happen in my environment right now. Okay, next slide. Okay, the contents of my presentation right now is the first one is definition of air pollution, the second, the causes of air pollution, the third, the effects of air pollution, the fourth, the way to prevent air pollution, and the last is about conclusion. Okay, next slide. Let's go on to the first contents. Definition of air pollution. Pollution is an adaptation of the Latin pollutionem, meaning the filament. Air pollution consists of chemicals or particles in the air that can harm the health of humans, animals, and plants. And they can be gases, solid particles, or liquid droplets. Next slide. The causes of air pollution. The first one is vehicle fumes. Vehicle fumes, whether motorcycle or car, are one of the main causes of air pollution. It's because vehicle emissions contains carbon dioxide gas, which forms ozone on the Earth's surface and becomes pollution. The concentration of ozone that causes air pollution can increase when the weather is hot and the humidity is low. Okay, the second is power plants. Power plants use fossil fuels such as oil and coal to generate energy. Because of their large-scale use, these combustion products can contribute to nearly 80% of air pollution. The third is industrial smoke. The billowing smoke emitted from tall chimneys in factories contains sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, and carbon monoxide. And apart from causing air pollution, industry and manufacturing also contribute waste to water and soil. Okay, the fourth, forest fires. Actually, we are really familiar with this problem. So, forest fires can contribute to air pollution by producing pollutants such as nitrogen dioxide, ozone, aromatic hydrocarbons, and lead. And forest fires also reduce the supply of water, electricity, and gas and cause climate change. The dry season will also usually come sooner due to this disaster. Okay, the cause of air pollution is household activities. The first one is like burning garbage can produce pollutants that affect climate change and endanger health. And then like smoking, painting walls, using air conditioner, and using cleaning products and also contribute to indoor pollution. Okay, the next slide. The next is the effects of air pollution. There are so many effects of air pollution actually for our health. So the first one is respiratory distress. The impact of air pollution from vehicle fumes, factory fumes, cigarette smoke, and other can trigger respiratory problems such as asthma, URI, and lung cancer. And in addition, air pollution can also lead to reduced oxygen levels in the human body. And the second is disrupting the flow of oxygen in the blood. So the circulatory system can also be disrupted due to the impact of air pollution. This is caused by the carbon monoxide or CO, which is so evident that it makes inflammatory protein levels and the amount of blood viscosity increase. This is what triggers inflammation of the blood vessels that can lead to cardiovascular disease. Okay, the third is really familiar and happen right now is global warming. One of the effects of air pollution is an increase of global warming. This increased temperatures around the world, raise sea levels, and make the ice caps in cold regions melt faster. And this can also lead to a reduction in habitation from some species of plants and animals in various countries. Okay, the last, triggers miscarriage and autism. Actually, not really all people know about this one, but air pollution can trigger miscarriage and autism. For pregnant women, air pollution is also very dangerous for themselves and their fetus. The impact of air pollution for pregnant women can trigger inflammation throughout the body and trigger premature birth. And as for the fetus, this situation can lead to miscarriage, asthma for the child later, and trigger autism. Okay, next slide. The ways for preventing air pollution. So we all know that air pollution is an important case to talk about, and there's so many ways to prevent this condition. The first one, using environmentally friendly vehicles. It can help us to reduce this environment, and reducing the use of motorized vehicles, reduce smoking. You know, the smoke is not really good for the environment, actually for people beside you. And don't burn garbage. The burning of garbage can increase the air pollution. You know, the smoke will go up to the sky and go anywhere. And then plant trees. So when we plant so many trees, and it will help to reduce the air. Like there will be so many oxygen, and we will have a good quality air. And then not burning forests. Actually, we know why we can burning forests, because the effect is really big. So don't burn forest. Next slide. So the conclusion of our presentation today is good air quality will maintain health. Therefore, everyone is advised to have awareness to protect the environment by not doing action that trigger air pollution. So I hope and all people is have an awareness to protect the environment, don't burn the garbage, or don't fire the forest. Okay, next slide. Okay, that's all for me. I'm sorry for if I have some words that mistake for you. Thank you and see you.